Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I will detail how to reinstall new passwords app on iPhone iOS 18, or how you can easily get back the new passwords app on your iPhone run on latest iOS 18. So one of the coolest features of the iOS 18 is the password apps that allows you to manage all your password on a single page and then secure them with your Face ID. So if the passwords application is missing on your iPhone on iOS 18, then here is how you can easily reinstall the application. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do here, we want to reinstall the password app on your iPhone. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once opened, click on the search button at the bottom right. Now click on search and search for passwords. Then click on the search button. This is going to search for all available password application on your iPhone. So this could be on iOS 18 or earlier. Just search for password here, and then you have access to all the password. Now locate the password logo here and then tap the get button, or better still, go to utilities and then other utilities. You're going to see the password application under utilities. Then you can now go ahead and get the password application to install it on your iPhone again. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.